Good evening, this is Keith All and welcome back. We're going to continue on with this one-page website, and we're currently editing the mobile view for this website. We're going to continue on with the services panel, and this is the finished product of the site, and you can see how this particular panel looks when it's mobile friendly. Now what we're going to be doing is we're not going to go through every single item here, because all these items or all these boxes contain the same elements, which means that once we make the change for these, all you have to do is go to the next section or box that contain the same elements and make the same changes. So we'll just do it for the top portion, and we're going to do it only for the bottom box because we wanted to include a space between this last element and the next panel. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. And let's go over to our editing site. And as you can see, by not making it mobile friendly, this is what it currently looks like. The images are way too large, including the text, etc. So we're going to go ahead and change that. So let's start first by, let's see, by the finished site, what do we need to move all the way up to the top, which is this text element, or this basically this box here. So we're going to move that all the way up to the top. So this takes a little bit. So let's scroll down. Let's see. So that in our services. Sorry. I'm just looking at it to see. Okay, so that's part of the next one. So our services in this. So let's go all the way down. So it's actually this box here. We want to select the box element because it contains both of these elements. So we want to move them all together. So let's just, by clicking the up arrow, as you can see, let's go back up to the top. And there we have it. So that moves it all the way up to the top. So let's see, edit the box element. Let's see what size it is. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, so what is it? 500, 135, 50, and 500. So that is okay. Let's close this. Let's go to lateral spacing. See what it is on the finished site. So it's all 5s here, then 60 and 20. Okay. So now we want to change the text size of both of these. And that will ultimately decrease the size of this box element. So let's go here General settings. And it's 18. Okay, takes care of that. Let's go to this one. And it's 37. Okay, let's go back here. Let's see if there's anything under the advanced. So it looks like all 5s, 0 top. Let's make this 0. Let's do this one. See what this one is. So the bottom is set to 0. Let's go set to 0. Okay, we got that first area taken care of. Let's go back here. Okay, our next area or our next box that we're going to adjust is going to be where the bodybuilding is. So we're going to do this. Let's first of all bodybuilding that. We want to take this line element and move it up. So we have the image, the line element, and then this text. Okay, so let's first do the box. Select that. Size, let's make sure it's correct over here. .328, 124. Okay, and the minimum height is 50. Okay, that takes care of that. Background settings, it's just that. Now, let's see. Lateral spacing. Let's fix this. Should be all 5s. Okay, that's correct. Let's go over here. See if there's anything under advanced. Nope. Okay. Now we can start working with the image size. So let's select that. Let's do this. So it's set to 50 and 260. And it's still big, so let's continue on with the properties. Should be lateral spacing. We'll fix it. So let's see what's going on here. So it's set to 100, 7, and 5. So that takes care of that, as you can see. Now let's go to the line element. Let's change this. So it should be under advanced. Let's see, what was it? 100, 5, and 5. Okay, so that takes care of that. Okay, now we're going to be working with these two text elements. So let's select that. Size of mobile is 26. Oops. Let's go to this. Oh wait, we're gonna we need to look at the lateral spacing or the advanced. So everything's set to 5 there. Okay, we're okay. Now let's do this. Under advanced, everything's set to 5, and we just need to change the text size now on mobile. So this is set, the advanced property is set for here. Let's look at the size on mobile, 20. There we go. Okay. So now all we have to do is for the rest of this panel or section, the changes that we made for this box element, which includes the image, the line element, and a couple text elements, we have multiple box elements below this that have the same type of elements inside of that box element. So just go back and make the same changes that we just made here. The only difference is the bottom one. We need to, on the box element, we need to change the padding of the distance, let's see, between this box element and the bottom of the panel. So let's see what this is set to. So that should be under lateral spacing, and it's set to 5, 30, and 60. Let's go down here. It's the image. Let's go up here. Here's the box. And